How to solve Facebook live event not showing? To do that, simply install the Facebook from Google Play Store on your phone. After opening the Facebook, you can see there is 3 vertical lines on the top right side of your page. When you tap on it, you will go through an interface like this. So from among all these options, when you scroll down, you will see the option of report a problem. You can click on this. So it says just shake your phone where you find a problem, but we want to report the problem. So just click on continue to report a problem. And now it will load and show you an interface like this. So what you should do is include complete login diagnosis. So just click on include, and now you should tap on the event option among all these options, and now describe your issue. So you can just write, I don't see live event option on my Facebook. And when you send this should reply you in a couple of days. But if you are an Android user, you can simply go on the Play Store and install Facebook Lite. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.